Hey guys, this video is going to be about this pressure washer here. It has a 5-horse Honda. Like I said in one of my other videos, it's not mine. I borrowed it from the guy, and the motor that he had on it, I don't even know what was wrong with it. It's a 5-horse Honda too, but I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. It wasn't valves, it wasn't carburetor. It wouldn't even, it had spark, it wouldn't start on starter fluid. So I have no idea. But he gave me this motor for free that he got from his work like 6 months before, and I was supposed to give him $50 for it, but I never paid him. So I guess I just put his motor pretty much on his pressure washer. It's 2450 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute. I'm gonna do a cold start for you guys. It's about 57 degrees out here right now, and it's a cold start. Let me see if I can start this thing with one hand. It's a Honda, so you know how they don't like to start. Of course, I primed it to like 5 minutes, and still not good enough. Okay, let's try this again. Again, it's a Honda, not a Briggs, so don't expect it to start right up. And of course, I'm gonna have to do that for a couple of years. So I got the Bobcat off the truck. I already started pressure washing it yesterday. There was a rat's nest in there, so got most of that out. You guys tell me if this pulley is supposed to make this noise. So there's the Bobcat, and there's this awesome pressure washer. even though it has a Honda on it instead of a Briggs. Explaining why it took a couple pulls to start. So here's that mower. It was on the back of the truck. I took the shroud off. Yeah. Not bad for free. This thing isn't locked up. This ratcheting. I don't even know what it's called. Doesn't look like it's a point system. So, see if you can. Yeah. Pretty rusty. But all these idlers and are all free. Well, there's something under this now. Okay, well, I don't know what was under it. But you saw those two spinning. Yeah. Well, this is free. Blade engage. This right here. Okay. Alright. That's my neighbor. He wants me to go get my dad, so I guess that's the end of that video.